Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be showing you how I just played out with some colors to create this look. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight into the video. I will be using the Zulu by Juvia's, and the colors that I am going to use for the bottom part, it's definitely that color, and then I will use that one and blend that with the orange. So yes, using a small fluffy brush, I will first ensure that my crease is okay. As you can see, there's some creases. I have already set this, so I just need to ensure to just clear those creases out. So to start with, I am taking the brown and I will just kind of pack that there and take it all the way out. Like that. So I will go through that until I get the kind of color that I want. I need it to be very deep. So that was the color that I'm going to use. I'm now going to use that orange to blend out the brown color I have put there. Get in the same brush and just kind of tap in where I want to place that color and just blend it out. Oops, oops. And then just blend it out. I'm blending it out using circular motions. I will then take this kind of fluffy brush and just kind of sweep across where those two colors are meeting. I will then use Rumor 04 by Louise, and I will use that to cut my crease. And using the brush that I used for my eyebrows, I'm just going to cut my crease. I recently just discovered that this brush is actually good. It is so good. With the first light, I will then just over the bottom. I didn't know that my camera had stopped recording, so I just filled the area that I cleared with the Rumor 04 Louise base. I will then go ahead and just pat that with a little tap so that it all just settles in. Then using this sort of brush, I will then now just take that color and just fill it across in the areas where I have put the concealer, sorry, the base. And then when putting the blue, this color, I don't know if it's blue or green, there I am kind of leaving, I will leave that space. How it looks like. I will then get a pillowy base. It is a pink one. Where is it? Pillowy by is it M Mitchell, and it is acid rain, and it is a pink. So I am getting that with that kind of flat brush, a femme flat brush, tiny and femme. I will then have to be so careful on this one. Hope I don't get it wrong. I will then wing this eye out. Have to pause and look what's happening on this side. Then I will get the same base, sorry, acid rain, and I'm going to fill this area. It then looks like this, and we are getting there. I'm going to use the Glam Crystals Dazzling Gel Liner, and with that gel liner I will carefully draw a line there. Carefully and gently. And then using the same gel liner, I will also draw a line. There. I will then take the Tarquoise Roma 0 and use that for my waterline. When that is done, I will then take the same pink that I used there and just pack it on my waterline. I will then just bring that blue all the way down the side. In the wrong brush. This one. I am then just gonna clean this side with my foundation. The foundation that I use. So I'm going to use that gold shimmer color and just put that in there. I will then take that Glam Crystal by Collection, it's a glitter balm, and just take a peel of that and just put them there. So all done. I'm now just gonna put my eyelashes off camera and I'll be back with the final look. So we're finally done with this look. This is how it looks like. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. It's bye for now. Till next time. Bye.